Okay, so now SQL Server has been downloaded. Got the ISO file in here. And we're going to move on to the SQL Server Data Tools. Same kind of scenario. We're going to go up here and SQL Server Data Tools. Now you have to be kind of careful. There is a 2015 version out there, but if you download and install that, you're probably getting the wrong one, because what we need is the BI version. And even that, there's a pitfall in that. Most of the teachers and classes are not using this yet because it's really designed for SQL Server 2016. And instead, you probably want to go ahead and go with a 13 until everything's been stabilized and it's released. So I would recommend sticking with 2013, at least for right now. So Microsoft SQL Server Data Tools Business Intelligence for 2013 is the recommended one. And here's the thing. If you have 2013 installed, if somebody that you're sending it to, like a teacher or whatever, has 2015, it'll upgrade. But if you have 2015 installed, it won't downgrade. So choose the earlier one. And that's pretty much it. We can go ahead and hit that download. And I'll put it in the Data Tools folder. Yeah, this one won't take very long. That's 1 gigabyte. I'll go ahead and pause the video. Okay, it took a couple minutes, about 5 minutes, and now it's downloaded. The last thing we need to get is the sample databases. Now, if I go out to Google and I type in Microsoft sample databases, it'll take me over to CodePlex. And finding the right one is really kind of a pain. So I don't recommend going there. Instead, I recommend going to my website, randallroot.com. And up there, under Useful Videos and Files, you will find my link for demo databases. The ones I recommend getting, let me change this over to a list view. The ones I recommend getting are Northwind, Pubs, and the last one would be a flavor of AdventureWorks. Now you have to be kind of careful with AdventureWorks because depending on the book that you're working with, the AdventureWorks changed dramatically from one year to the next. So if you download the wrong one, like if I download 2012, but they're using an older version, things have changed, column names are different, table names are different, and all the code in the book will fail, or most of the code in the book will fail. Northwind and Pubs have been stabilized for years and years and years. AdventureWorks never has really been stable. So I try to avoid AdventureWorks or a number of my demos just because of that, because people will get confused. But still, there are plenty of books around that still use it. You just have to be cautious. In general, the AdventureWorks 2012 is one that commonly gets referred to. So I would choose Pubs, Northwind, and AdventureWorks 2012. So download. Download. Really small files. And download. Download anyway. And that's it. We've got all the files that we need to get things set up for SQL Server. We've got the compression file, we've got SQL Server itself, we've got the data tools, and we've got some demo databases to play with. So the next thing, of course, is getting things installed.